Hi everybody, this is Kamal with Quality Properties. I'm inside one of our projects right now in one of the houses. It needs a lot of renovations. One of the unexpected repairs that we found here is the sewer line was damaged, and we have to replace the sewer line. We have to replumb the whole house, the hot and the water lines. That was unexpected repairs. That goes for you as a homeowner, as a seller, is one of the things that you probably come across when you try to sell your home, that you come up across repairs that you unexpected and it costs you way more than you anticipated. This is something that we deal with it all the time. Just about every project that we buy or every house that we buy, we come on unexpected repairs. Very rare that we don't come across something like that. Usually it costs us 20% more than the expected estimate repairs. So this goes for you too. If you want to sell your home, always make sure that you calculate all the repairs and 20% plus 20% of your estimate, because you always gonna have that final price like we did here. No big deal. I just want to let you know that we buy houses in as-is condition, like this one right here. We had to replumb, change the sewer line, and replumb the whole house. $12,000 later, got it all fixed. So we still got ways to go. We buy houses in this condition, in as-is condition, in any condition and any situation. If you have a home that you want to sell and it needs a lot of repairs, give me a call. My name is Kamal again with Quality Properties of Northwest Florida. My phone number is 850-346-4995, or you can log into our website at www.qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com. We buy houses in Escambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton counties, in cities like Pensacola, Milton, Pace, Gulf Breeze, Cantonment, Navarre, Fort Walton Beach, Crestview, Niceville, Destin, all the way to Panama City, and more. So reach me out, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.